What's up guys, today is going to be a tutorial on this cinematic rotate effect plugin. This is a title plugin, so once you've installed it, you'll find it up here in your titles tab under cinematic rotate effect. So within this plugin, you'll find a bunch of different presets and also a couple of custom presets, which allows you to create some more advanced effects. Within this plugin, it's split up into a couple of different sections. We have the rotation section, which will just rotate your image. And then if we go down to the zoom in rotation, this will zoom in and rotate your image. And then it also has the zoom out rotation, which will slowly zoom out and rotate at the same time. Let's go ahead and drag in one of these effects. Let's go for the zoom in rotation by 20 degrees. So you can add this to single clips, or you can actually add it to a whole project if you want. And if we just play that back, you can see it gives this really nice cinematic rotation effect to just some ordinary clips. Let's have a look at the custom plugin right here. So the reason this plugin is so good for creating the rotation effect is because it automatically mirrors the sides of your image so that you can get away with not scaling in so much when creating the rotation effect. So if I scale this out, you can see it automatically adds the mirrored sides. And on video clips like this, where you have a nice sky, you can get away with having a slightly mirrored image on the sides. So with this custom effect, what you can do is keyframe all of the parameters, the scale, rotation, position, to create a really personalized effect. Let's just focus on this one video clip right here. What I can do is scale in and choose my start point. And then we can just keyframe all of this at the start of the effect and then go to the end. And all of the changes we make to these parameters will record the keyframe, and it will just automatically create a nice smooth rotating effect. So let's scale out a little bit and let's change up the end position like this. Let's add a bit of rotation in there. We can actually go to the start and add a bit more rotation, go back to the end, and then let's play that back. So it's given it kind of like a unique pan up rotation effect with a slight zoom out as well. So yeah, that's a little tutorial on this new plugin. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.